guys, it's Mara. In today's video, I'm going to do my roots. As you can see, they're pretty bad. I did get them professionally done last time for the wedding, but it's been since then, since I've gotten my hair done. And actually, they did them really light, the highlights or the roots or whatever. And then so she ended up putting toner on it. So they were actually not much different than what I started with. But today I bought this Root Touch Up by Clairol. So I've used this quite a few times. It always turns out pretty good. The last time I used it though, I don't think I left it on long enough because they weren't as light as I wanted. I also bought, so this one's 8G Medium Golden Blonde. And then I also bought Light Blonde, which is 9. So you can kind of see the color difference. This one's the light one, this one's a little bit darker. I would say the majority of my hair is kind of a medium golden blonde. But I think I'm going to do the medium golden blonde one, and then if it's not light enough, maybe in a couple weeks do the light blonde one. But yeah, so I got these at CVS. They were 2 for $14, which they were in that sale quite a bit. Instead of like maybe they start at $8 or $9, I think. So I've heard you kind of want to do it with dirty hair, and I definitely have dirty hair right now, so that's good. And you want to have on something you don't mind getting dye on, or peroxide, or white, basically. Let me make sure we're still recording. Okay. So, we got our gloves. You want to comb your hair, probably. Now, this says, here's little instructions. You add the 1, 2, oh. Okay. Let's see. It says use a towel to protect your clothing. Let's see. I mean, I'd rather get this shirt with bleach stuff on it than that towel. So brush or comb your dry hair, so you want to have dry hair. You want to add your 1 to your little container with your 2. Yeah, so permanent color cream and then color activating lotion. So let's get those out. Now really, I feel like they put way less in the box than they used to. That's what I think. Because used to, I could do like a good amount all on my roots and have enough to spread it out. And now I barely have enough for my roots. But I am going to get my hair cut tomorrow, so I'm not really worried about, you know, drawing it out that far. Okay, so here's our 2. Here's our 1. There's our little brushy. And then here's our little dish that you do it all in. Take my rings off. I don't know if it'll react with them or not. Okay. And obviously I don't have any makeup on because I'm going to have to wash my hair after this anyway. So what's the point in that? Okay, what's it say? Add 1 first and then add 2, I think. So, here's 1. We're just going to squeeze it in this little guy. And you puncture the top. Okay. And don't shoot it towards you, because I've definitely done that. Get all of it out we can. The fumes! No, they're not that bad. Okay. I think that's about all of it. And then I'll drop more. Okay. So got that done. Then we're going to add 2 to it. Color activating lotion. Okay, then it says use the little brushy side and mix this all together. Well, it looks pretty golden, all right. Here's what it looks like. It's kind of like grits. Okay. So now that we have that, it says comb my hair, which that still has hair in it too. Like the dark root look, not me. You can kind of see I have a defined line a little bit. It's not like the worst, but my hair is coming in darker and darker in my old age. And one problem I do have with my hair is I'm an extremely staticky person. But other than that, I have a lot of baby hairs because I've been taking thyroid medication for a little while. And so I have like some regrowth that's like 2-3 inches long now. So I kind of have hair that sticks out everywhere. It's a little bit annoying. So my second day hair of like not washing my hair doesn't look very good sometimes. Okay, so we got that all brushed out. Next, okay, so it's saying do your crown first, or wherever your natural part is, or wherever you part it, I guess. For me, oh, I wish I had a clip. Do I have a clip somewhere? Dang it. For me, I'm actually gonna do right around by my ears first in like this hairline because that seems to soak up a ton of product very quickly versus the other parts of my hair, and like it needs it more. That's where it's like the darkest. As you can kind of see, it's pretty dark there. So we're gonna do that first, and then we can get to the other part. So I'll speed this part up. Okay, so it's been a little over 15 minutes. I decided to wait a little bit longer because my hair wasn't looking like super light. So here's what it looks like right now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash it out. It says in this little paper, when time is up, rinse and condition is needed. So I might put some conditioner on it. I don't know. I may not, since it's just my roots. It's not like that wasn't the greasy part of it anyway. But I'll probably shampoo my hair since I need to shampoo my hair anyway. But yeah, so I'll check back in after I rinse it, wash it, and dry it, and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so here's my hair washed. The only thing I would probably say is right here by the my hairline, I definitely could have got better. You can see it's kind of dark. It looks kind of like a shadow. But other than that, I think it blended pretty well. It was one of my sloppier applications, I would definitely say. There's a little bit of dark in here. But I'll just have to see after I dry it how it looks. And like I said, I have that other box, so after I wait a little while, you know, a week or two, I could probably do the other one. And do, you know, some highlights in there. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Kind of red. You guys, I actually love it. I think it looks really good. I'm not sure how it's going to show up on camera. I think it shows up a little darker on camera, but it looks really good. Ignore my few sprigs like sticking out. My hair growth. But yeah, I think it looks so good. And if I part it here on the side, you can't really see. There's a little bit of dark in there. But I think it gives it more dimension, so it's not just like you think like a box dye, one color kind of look. Because I have natural red undertones, so let's kind of show it. But yeah, so whatever it is in the camera, it's a little bit lighter than that. A little more blonde, a little less red. It looks pretty red in there. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this video. I hope it helped you if you are going to use Root Touch Up by Clairol. So yeah, check out some of my other videos. I have some with a few different other dyes if you want to watch those. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.